All right, boys and girls, we are going to learn about 3D shapes. And 3D shapes means three-dimensional shapes. That means the shapes are not flat like two-dimensional. They're actually shapes you can hold in your hand. And we use them, we see them all the day long when we're in our normal daily life. So let's talk about the first one. It's a cube. And it has 8 corners and 6 faces. So you can do a box, an ice cube, dice. So this is a cube. Okay, the shape that it's based on is a square. So if you look at this box, remember a square has 4 equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all the same size. So this is the square. So it's a cube. You count the number of squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the number of squares are the faces, right? So there's 6 faces. There are 8 corners. So if you find the top square, the top face, we have 1, 2, sorry, the flaps are open, 3, 4. We look at the bottom of this box, 1, 2, 3, 4. Might be a little easier if I show you with, okay, a dice is a square, is a cube, okay? It's based on a square, and let's count the squares that we see, the faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip it over. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So, remember, a cube, the basic shape is a square, so if you find the squares and count the squares, you'll know the number of faces. A cone. It's based on a circle. It only has one face, and you can have an ice cream cone or a traffic cone, or which I don't have either one of those. Well, actually I have a traffic cone, but it's in the shed. I'm not going to go get it. This is a sieve, where you put things that have water in it, and like pasta, and you can drain the water out and the pasta stays in the sieve. This sieve actually is shaped like a cone. The basic shape is a circle. So this would be its face, okay? And this is your cone, right? The next shape is a cylinder, and it can be a can, a candle, a battery, or a log. So here's a can of paint. Again, it's based on a circle, and this one has 2 faces. The top of the can and the bottom of the can are circles. So a cylinder has 2 faces. If I showed you a candle, again, 2 faces. The bottom is a circle, the top is a circle, so those are the faces of a candle, of a cylinder. Okay, a can of soup, all cylinders, all right? The next one, which is way down at the bottom, is a rectangular prism. And the shape is right in its name, rectangular, rectangle. It's based on a rectangle. Now let's remember a rectangle has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. So it's going to have 8 corners and it's going to have 6 faces. So, and those can be gift boxes or cereal boxes. So if you look at this gift box, let me turn it over so the word gap is going the right way. Here's your rectangle, right? 2 long sides, 2 short sides. So let's count the rectangles we see, the faces. 1, 2. Now let's count the sides. 3, 4, 5, 6, because these are all rectangles. 2 long sides, 2 short sides. Let's count the number of corners. So if we put this way, we count the corners on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip it over. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, a cereal box. Now this rectangular prism is going vertical, right? Same thing though. Count the rectangles for the number of faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Crayon box. Rectangular prism. 2 long sides, 2 short sides. Count how many rectangles you see, how many faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip it over. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? The last shape that we have, that's a 3D shape, is a sphere. It's kind of based on a circle, but there are no faces, there are no sides, and there are no number of corners. It's a ball, okay, or the earth. Any kind of ball. Ping pong ball, tennis ball, basketball, baseball, not a football, soccer ball, a kickball. We could use an orange, okay? They're all spheres. They're circular, and you can hold them in your hand, right? So today was my little intro to 3D shapes. Tomorrow and Wednesday, you'll be watching YouTube videos on 3D shapes and faces and corners. And then Thursday and Friday, I have assigned some simple little worksheets that I would like you to do. So look around your house, find some 3D shapes, maybe even take a picture of them and tell me what shape they are and post it on our Google Classroom so we can see what you guys did. All right, see you guys later.